Yeah, so we are here in Makoko. Yeah, we have Makoko. On the boat heading to the ballet house. The ballet is Makoko's community leader. There is definitely some paranoia within Makoko regarding the perception that outsiders might form and potentially share about their community. Hence, they screen visitors in an attempt to understand their motivations for visiting. See, the thing is, the paranoia is understandable. There has been some rumors and threats that Makoko could become like other slums that have been raised by the Lagos government. Only 2 years ago, 30,000 people lost their homes in Otodogbame, a poor fishing community close to Lekki. I hope that this clip will raise awareness about the conditions and the hope that exists within this community.
Where are we?
We just got to Makoko.
Makoko. Makoko is in the suburbs of Yaba.
Yeah.
It's literally like a fish town or fish village, if you will.
Same thing.
You are in love.
Yeah, this is sketchy.
I tell you, bro.
This is
It's good.
Put down at the top of the boat. You can just put the chair. On the tip of the boat, you have the chair.
These canoes and shacks are all these kids know. Their schools even look like this. We passed by some students on their way to school and visited one of the schools in the area. I could see hope in their eyes.
I'm telling you. No.
We only spent 2 hours in Makoko. Long story short, the ballet did not give us the go-ahead to continue to explore the community beyond his house.
Please, why you like constantly clap?
Yeah, if you know how it is there. No, this is unacceptable. I will accept, say, I can come by. No. No, ma. Ready? She and so hey. No. Ṣé àwọn lo kọ lé? Ilé ṣé wọ́n lò? Ṣé wọ́n lé? Sí.
I don't see plan. Because the referee again.
Ta ló ṣe plan?
Because the referee.
Ta ló ṣe plan?
This house was half built. So we not left it. They don't so they have to buy.
And you have more space.
What do I want to put in the space? Nothing. We only want 2 rooms and everything. And we got it finished.
You don't feel congested sometimes when you're just walking. What is all this thing here?
Go there and see what is there. The load.
She tried to make some local. Like this the longest I've been at this. I don't think it's everybody had it red. Assurance.